So since you've also been acting parang almost half of your life yata or more than half,
More than.
how do you handle or balancing your acting career and being a mom?
It's really difficult.
Talaga.
Kailangan mo siya tanggapin.
Mhm.
Pag single mom ka, kailangan mong tanggapin that you can't be everybody for everyone all the time, even if it's your children on the line. Right? Because you provide also monetarily for your children.
Yun nga.
Right? Ang dami mong mamimiss na milestones. For example, I need to be in Mindoro for 2 weeks to shoot. When I go back, I'll be here for 3 days only and then back again, Iloilo naman for a different film.
Mm.
Kaya kailangan ko talaga si God. Kasi kailangan ko mag-pray na, Lord, please protect my children in ways that I can. Because I'm far.
Yeah.
Right? If something happens, I'm not there. So it's only my God who can do that for me and no one else. At the moment, right?
Mm.
Until God blesses me with someone who's willing to shoulder that responsibility with me. But until then, talagang kay God lang talaga yung kapit. I have to talk to my children also that, I don't want to do this, but we live in a broken world. And nanay has to do these things because I need money for you to go to school. I need money so that we will have roof over our heads. Kailangan mo ipaliwanag. Huwag mo sila i-dumb down regardless of their age.
How did they
Kailangan
take it?
They're very understanding, of course. I'm just really worried about my eldest. Kasi minsan nakikita ko kung paano ako kay mommy with her.
Okay.
Yung
Which is?
Lumalaki siya kagad. Masyadong mabilis. Ang bilis niya mag-mature.
Mentally speaking? Are we talking about
Bilis
mentally?
niya mag-mature. Naiiyak ako, sorry.
No, go lang. Let it out.
Kaya lang feeling ko pag single mom ka kasi medyo hindi natin maiiwasan yung mga ganung bagay.
Mm.
Kasi kahit gusto mo naman na andyan ka araw-araw, hindi kasi magfa-function yung household eh. I love my ninay very much. My ninay is a senior citizen already, no? She is, I think, 66 years old, no? May mga pangangailangan siya medically, right, emotionally. I have to be prepared.
Yeah.
Because this is my mom we're talking about. We are not blood related, but I can't lose Ninay just because I don't have the money to pay for it, especially with the healthcare that we have in the Philippines, right? So these are things that I prepare for. Kaya pag sinasabi ko talaga, pag nagkaroon ako ng season of depression eh. Because I was telling God, Lord, bakit parang hindi ako pwedeng mamatay?
Mm-mm.
Bakit parang hindi pwede? Bakit parang yung iba pwede, ba't ako hindi? Why? I have 2 kids and have Ninay also. So, hindi ka pwede. May sakit ka? Ano hindi ka magtatrabaho? Magtatrabaho ka. Dahil hindi ka pwedeng walang hindi sweldohin sa kinsenas. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, of course.
Naiiyak lang ako kasi nakikita ko yung okay lang ako. The best kid.
Tissue, I'm a tissue.
Hindi, carry na to.
Sayang yung lamya.
Oo. Baka malusaw. Baka malusaw.
Tissue lang.
Thank you. So, parang ang bilis niya kasi lumaki. Yung nakikita ko sa kanya na kunyari magmamaktol ng konti si Alessi, na I don't want you to go. Meron siyang, Alessi, you know that nanay has to work. Do you know, do you think this is easy for nanay? This is not easy for her also. Parang nakikita ko lang, kasi alam ko naman hindi rin okay sa kanya anak ko to eh. Alam ko, kilala ko yung anak ko eh. Pero sinasabi niya lang, kasi alam niya na, masasaktan ako. So sinasabi ko rin sa kanya na, anak, pag hindi okay,
sabihin niya.
I-verbalize mo. Kasi gagawan ko naman ng
paraan.
Ng paraan. Yun. Kaya, yun.
Pero you know what? First of all, thank you for sharing that.
Yeah,
pero
thank you also.
in my perspective naman, as a panganay, I think regardless if we like it or not, I think as a panganay, kami talaga yung nagmamature agad. Iba yung maturity pacing ng panganay compared sa mga nakakabatang kapatid. Siyempre, whether we like it or not, kapag wala yung parents namin, let's say, umalis lang naman, hindi naman totally wala. Parang, whether we like it or not, we're really gonna have to stand alone. Or we're really gonna have to take over.
Yeah.
to take care of which is, I think, generally speaking, is perfectly normal. Parang ang
siguro kasi pareho din tayo, panganay din kasi ako.
So yung
panganay sa 7. Kaya parang
7?
Sa 7. Kaya pag nakikita ko yung talagang, alam ko to. Alam ko to.
Super nakaka-relate kayo.
I saw this story before. Nakakaloka. Well, anyway, bilang show naman to ng Pecha de Peligro at hindi naman family planning. Kamusta naman ang isang meron ka bang may mga moments ka ba na parang Diyos ko, Pecha de Peligro na. Medyo matagal na akong nakapagpahinga sa showbiz. May mga ganyan ba tayo? Oo, may mga ganyan moment. And how did you handle that? Yung objectively speaking, paano mo siya hinandle na may pangungutang bang nangyari, blah, blah, blah?
Definitely meron. Pero kasi, siya nasubukan ko ng mangutang, ganyan. Yung isa nga with Ina Asisto, nag-artista din siya, anak ni Tita Nadia Montenegro.
Yes.
So si Ina, naalala ko nagbebenta ako ng Switch. Di ba mahilig ka sa game?
Sa game.
Marunong akong pagkasyahin yung buong pamilya ko sa kumot.
Yung
utang, it's lagi siyang last resort. Actually, pag binenta ko na yung Switch ko, ibig sabihin yun na yung last. Kasi yun yung huli kong ibebente. As a gamer, it's very easy for me to sell my phone, sell my stuff. It's not an issue. I can adjust my skincare. Yun yung pinakaluho ko. I can adjust that. I can adjust everything. Pero yung game ko, yun yung pinakahuli nating
yan ang last na let go.
Huling bala na to. Naalala ko si Ina dahil best friend ko siya. Nakasend siya na nahihirapan na ako. Kasi pinost ko na binibenta ko yung Switch ko. Tapos naalala ko nagtanong siya, Twin, kailangan mo ba ng pera? Kasi pwede kitang pahiramin kung kailangan mo. Magsabi ka lang. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, Twin, actually kailangan ko. Kaya ako nagbebenta ng Switch. Pero mali din kasi na mangungutang ako na meron akong Switch. Naiintindihan nyo? Magkaiba yun
Pero may option pa naman, di pa lahat.
Oo kasi meron Kung meron kang pwedeng itinda, meron kang pwedeng i-liquidate, ibig sabihin hindi mo pa kailangan mangutang. Hindi ka lang marunong makontento sa buhay na meron ka.
So
pinipilit mo lang kasi yung lifestyle mo
Yes.
Ayoko ng ganun.
As much as possible, ayaw mo mangutang.
Hindi.
So long as present si Switch.
Kasi hindi ako pinalaki ng ninay ko ng ganun Yung ninay ko, nakita ko siya growing up, pag walang mapapadala si mama ngayon, walang mabibigay si mama, magbebenta siya Benta niya yung bag niya, benta niya yung sapatos niya. Tapos lang muna tayo Pansit Canton. Nung panahon na yun kasi mura pa galunggong Ngayon kasi mahal
na ba galunggong?
Pero noon kasi mura-mura lang. O kaya delata na sardinas, ina-adjust niya Hindi namin maintain yung lifestyle na meron kami. Ina-adjust niya So ako, ganun din. Parang, nga naman, pag tinitingnan ko rin in scripture, you have to be content. Bakit? Pag wala ba akong Switch, hindi na ba ako masaya? No, wala na ba akong pwedeng i-thank you? No, because when I wake up in the morning, I can thank God I have a functioning body. I have legs. Not everyone can walk. I can see. Not everyone can see. The thing about gratefulness is, it doesn't come second nature. You have to cultivate it. Kailangan mo siya hanapin.
Uy, huwag kang magpaka-Pecha de Peligro sa content. Kung bitin ka sa kwentuhan, punta na sa YouTube, Spotify, at Apple Podcasts para mapakinggan ang buong episodes ng Pecha de Peligro. Brought to us by Union Digital Bank. Kompleto yan. May funny highlights, seryosang tips, at mga discarding pwedeng makatulong sa'yo before sweldo day. Kaya mong maging mas wise. Check out Pecha de Peligro Podcast sa lahat ng social media platforms. Pati na rin ang Union Digital Bank on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube for more tawanan and discarded stories. At syempre, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe bago maubos ang mobile data mo.